In this guide, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from your Cash App balance to a Wells Fargo bank account. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. From the home screen, tap on the profile icon, located in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down and select Linked Banks. On the Linked Bank screen, tap on Link Debit Card. When Cash App asks you to enter debit card details, select the No Card option instead. Tap Continue, and you'll be shown a list of supported banks. Scroll through the list to find Wells Fargo. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top to find it manually. Once you select Wells Fargo, Cash App will prompt you to authenticate your bank account. Tap Continue, and you'll be redirected to the Wells Fargo login page. Sign in using your usual Wells Fargo online banking credentials, and follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your account. After your Wells Fargo account is successfully linked, return to the Cash App home screen. Tap on the Cash Out option. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in your desired amount and tap Cash Out. Next, choose your transfer speed. You can select Standard, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days, or Instant, which sends the money immediately for a small fee. Confirm your selection and the transfer will be processed to your Wells Fargo account. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.